Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to learn how we can just create money while just typing the text. So there's an app which will just give us some money for typing the text over on it. So for that we have to just go to our Google Chrome and search for captcha.com, and once we are over here you have to just click on over the first app you can see, or you have to just click on the second app. Like first one is just for the free job, but we don't have to click on that. You have to just search for captcha and you have to click on that. Once you click on it, you will just get over here, there are all the terms and condition over here, and once you just learn all the terms and condition, you have to just click on quick start. Once you click on quick start, you have to just register all your details. You can also log in with a Google and just read the details carefully while just doing all this. Basically this app just give us money just for typing the text, so it is very good for the teenagers and just for the person who want to earn money just while sitting at home. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.